A new design with more rounded corners and softer edges is anticipated for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will launch in January 2025. It will also have new software that goes well with the updated design. An increase in screen size and a reduction in bezels result from the design improvements. A comparison between the S25 Ultra and its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, was just shared by Tipster Ice Universe. These revelations indicate that the next model will have a larger display and be somewhat slimmer. The width of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be 77.6 mm, down from 79 mm for the S24 Ultra. The anticipated increase in display width is expected to occur from 72.3 to 73 mm, even with this reduction. The S24 Ultra's side bezels reduce from 3.35 mm to only 2.3 mm as a consequence of this modification, an almost 30% reduction in size. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a larger 6.86-inch display, up from the 6.79-inch display of the S24 Ultra. It may also have symmetrical bezels on both sides, which might result in slimmer top and bottom bezels as well. A more immersive viewing experience is promised by the pairing of a larger screen with thinner bezels. There are hints that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have slightly rounded corners, which would improve comfort and provide the whole S25 series a unified appearance. Consumers can anticipate a larger display within a more compact body, improving ergonomics and making it more comfortable to hold for extended periods of time. Samsung appears to be focusing on harmonizing the design elements of its flagship lineup, including the camera arrangement, which could signify another step in that direction. Remember that while Ice Universe's insights are fascinating, they haven't been officially confirmed, and Samsung may change some details before the official unveiling. As a result, even though the potential design changes are exciting, they should be approached cautiously. On the performance front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU, which is set to be released in October. This new processor is expected to bring about significant improvements in speed and efficiency, hence enhancing the device's overall performance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.